Third dynamic we're talking about is weight. It's between light and strong. So say if I just take a basic like little moonwalk forward, right? And I'm moonwalking forward, I'm sustaining this rhythm, boom, and I hit a strong, could be boom. It just pows through the movement. It's like a force of energy that makes all of a sudden your weight strong in whatever you do, whether you're doing a punch, whether you're doing step. It's very direct, but it has a lot of weight to it. So you're putting most of your energy, we're talking about energy, most of your energy and your focus into your weight distribution.